2018 is a big year for Service Express. It's our 25th anniversary of providing the best experience inside or outside of the data center. As a company, we've grown in excess of $100 million in revenue. And in the past couple of years, third-party maintenance has gone mainstream. And Service Express is the premier provider of maintenance services inside the data center. I think the mistake a lot of companies make when they rebrand is the marketing team goes into a conference room, they try and come up with ideas about what this rebrand should look like, and then they project it out to everybody else. We decided to take a different approach.
We worked with an outside research firm to get an unbiased look at our company. They interviewed customers, prospective customers, and employees for us. They identified gaps in perception and areas of opportunity for us to provide additional clarity. When it comes to service and the experience that we provide, we heard a few things over and over again: flexibility, expertise, savings and value, and really how reliable and helpful we are. One mind really summed it up well: experts in the data center, geniuses at service delivery.
The new logo is one of my favorite parts of this rebrand. We moved from SEI, 3 letters that mean nothing in the hearts and minds of our customers and employees, to Service Express, which is an accurate depiction of who we are as a company. Service is at the core of all we do. The Express in our name represents reliability and responsiveness. We are there when our customers need us.
When you see the links that surround our logo, those really stand for our people and our processes. Our tested processes allow our people to take our service to the next level, ensuring 100% satisfaction for our customers.
Our new tagline is People-Powered Data Center Solutions. In 5 words, we effectively tell people what we do and how we do it so well.
Data Center Solutions ensures that people that don't know Service Express know that we live in the data center.
When we look at the service we provide, we're not competing with other IT companies or other data center companies. We are competing with the best service experience our customers have received from their favorite brands. As a company, we've been intentional about building a service-first organization, and the time is right for us to reintroduce who we are to our expanding market.
We are now intentionally stepping forward as Service Express.